Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making mummy dogs. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. Line a baking pan with parchment paper or an oven-safe baking mat. Next, lay out a rolling mat and dust with a tablespoon or so of flour. This will just help prevent the dough from sticking. Next, open your dough. I'm using croissant dough. I hate opening these packages, they always pop in my face. I do like these though, because they're pre cut, but I'm going to slice mine into strips for the mummies. Open up your thawed hot dog package. Now, using a small knife, cut your dough into as many strips as you want, as thick or as thin as you want your mummy wraps to be. I should have prepared my egg wash first, but it's okay. It's only too late once the mummies are baked. Add 1 teaspoon of water to the egg and mix with a fork, just to combine. Starting at the top of your hot dog, wrap from the top down. It's okay if the dough overlaps or is a little messy because they're mummies. I do like to dip my ends into the egg wash to act as a glue, but this isn't necessary. Do leave a little gap at the top for the mummy eyes. Scientists have just officially named a new dinosaur species discovered in 2020 when Texas scientists unearthed the bones of the new plant eating dinosaur, which roamed North America 96 million years ago. They named Ampelognathus coheni, meaning Cohen's grapevine jaw, after a combination of Murray Cohen, the volunteer who dug it up, and the city it was found near. I only have a 4 pack of hot dogs, but I obviously have more dough. So you can make as many as you want with as much dough as you have. You can also use sausages or mini dogs. These are kid friendly, but tasty for adults and dinosaurs. Place the mummies on the baking pan with the space for the eyes exposed. Use any olives you like. Black, green, purple would look really cool. And slice them into thin slits. If you don't like olives, alternatively, you can place dabs of ketchup or mustard for eyes after they cook. Tuck the olives in slightly so they're held in place by the dough. Refrigerate for 15 minutes before you bake them, and meanwhile preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, so pull the mummies out of the fridge and use a pastry brush to paint the dough with the egg wash. Try not to knock down any hovering dinosaurs. Bake for 20 minutes and check these out. Serve with mustard and ketchup, and there goes Rexy digging in. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.